What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a QR code in Canva in under 1 minute. To get started, open Canva and go to Create a Design page. You can choose any template size depending on your purpose, but for this example, let's select Logo, which gives us a simple square canvas. Once your design page is open, look to the left-hand sidebar and scroll down until you find the App section. Click on it, and in the search bar that appears, type QR code and press Enter. Canva will show you a few options, but choose the one labeled QR code. This is Canva's built-in tool. Now you will see a field where you can paste your URL. This can be a website link, a YouTube video, a product page, or any online destination you want people to visit. After pasting the URL, click Generate Code. Canva will automatically create a QR code and drop it into your design. You can now resize and reposition the QR code however you like. Once you're happy with how it looks, click on Share in the top right corner. Then select Download to save the design to your device. And that's it. Your custom QR code is ready to use. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.